And glad you're watching Midday on a Friday, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Sitting down now with Steve Morrow. He's from Everlend Mortgage, and we're talking about the housing market, which is particularly hot right now.
It's absolutely crazy. I mean, there are people that say that COVID's bringing down home prices. That's not the case. When you look at April this year compared to April of last year, we have 30% fewer buyers. We have 30% fewer sellers, but guess what? We still have more buyers than sellers. So prices are still skyrocketing.
Are they really? They're going up. Okay, so how long have you been working in the mortgage industry?
Since 96. That's 1996.
And what does that experience tell you, and how does it help you?
The longer I do this, the more I realize how complicated the mortgage process really is. I mean, many people that I know that do mortgages, they're order takers. You know, what's your name? What's your social security number? Where do you live? But to actually understand the intricate details of federal guidelines and loan options, 15 years minimum experience in the business, in my mind, is required for somebody to know what they're doing in the mortgage profession.
Do you need to be licensed? Is everybody licensed?
Great question. Mortgage loan officers are required to be registered with the federal government through a system called the NMLS, but only some of us are actually licensed. And the licensing requirement means that we have to have a background check. We have to pass that. They pull our credit. We have to have training, ongoing training every year. We have to pass tests, federal tests, state tests.
Steve, that's a distinction I didn't know to look for.
Most people don't.
It's a good tip. How has COVID-19 changed the way you do business in the mortgage industry?
No, it's a great question,
Yeah.
Anisha. It's been really hard because I'm one of the few that insists on doing face-to-face applications with my people. And the reason is because I can get what I need from them in about 15 minutes, but they're not informed. And an informed client is a happy client. So with COVID, I can't meet face-to-face, so we've been doing Zoom calls for 4.5 months.
And you're getting pretty good at them?
It works great because it's important. They see what's on my screen. They see their options. It's like FHA, conventional, benefits, problems.
This is a lot of money we're talking about. This is a big investment. You want to know all the information and details. So what should our viewers be asking? What are those questions?
Well, they need to ask their loan officer, first of all, how long have they done this? If it's been less than 15 years, I don't know if they're working with the right person. The second thing, especially if they're refinancing, is how long do you intend to be in your house? Because if you're going to be in your house short term, refinancing might not make sense. And the other questions that a loan officer should ask in particular are, what do you want to refinance for? You just want to lower your payment? You want to do a new kitchen? Do you just need to pay your house off in 15 years instead of 25 and maybe have the same payment? Something like that.
Everlend Mortgage, everybody. Steve is a great person to talk to. That is their website. You say email, and let's talk about it. Let's see if you need to refi right now.
Yeah, well, the best way for me is, and whether they work with me or somebody else, just send me your mortgage statement. And if I look at the mortgage statement, I can tell somebody if refinancing is in their best interest or not.
Everlend.com, everybody, or go to abc4.com/midday. Steve, thank you for joining us.
Thank you. It's my
Brian,
privilege.
over to you.